Hello YouTube, I'm using my Harbor Freight ramps to sharpen my blades. I can get this side and this side from going through here, and then I'll go around and take a picture and show you where I get the other blade just by where the chute comes out, because there's part of the chute gone, and I never kick the blades until I'm sitting on the mower. You can see the tip of the blade hanging out, but I never really showed these before. They're nice ramps. I researched the competition and I picked these because I seen a video on the other ones what it looks like when one of them breaks. So far so good on these. Okay, you can see that okay. I file my blades. It takes a little while. But see, there's a guard missing on here. And this blade comes out pretty darn close. I'm always up on the tractor with my feet here before I kick them in because there's no guards here. So modern stuff, there's covers everywhere. This is running at your own risk stuff. But I'm going to try to make a guard for this. But yeah, they work pretty good. This thing doesn't have a parking brake on it no more, so once I'm off it, I put a block of wood behind the wheels because it will roll a little bit, but this type of transmission, you can't push this tractor across the yard when it's not running. There's a thing in there you can finagle, and I ain't going to mess with that. But there you go. Just another short little video. Thanks for watching.